Okay, true false question number 6. Mr. Surly consumes only two goods and hates them both. His utility function is minus max of x comma y. Mr. Surly has weakly convex preferences. Let's draw the utility function indifference curves and check it. So his utility function is minus max of x comma y. Okay, so his ICs will basically look like max x comma y. The only difference is that they are going to be increasing inwards. Okay, so let's say this is some IC, this is some other IC. They're all going to lie along this line x equals to y. Okay, this will be some other IC. So the ICs will look like this, but the utility levels will be like this: 0, -2, -3, -4, and so on. So utilities are increasing in this direction. Okay, so Mr. Surly has weakly convex preferences. So so a person has convex preferences if uh, for all utility level u, the set of points x comma y such that utility at x comma y is greater than or equal to u, let me call this as SU set. This SU set is convex. What this basically means is start with any utility level and highlight the set which contains all the points which are weakly dominant to the utility level u, which have utility level greater than u. Okay, so for example, I start with this utility level -3. Now, what are all the points which have utility greater than -3? So, all the points greater than -3 will be this set, this square. Okay, so is this square a convex set or not? Okay, so it is convex because if I take any two points in this set, I will always get points inside the set. Alright, so this set is convex. So this particular utility function is weakly convex. On the other hand, if I consider the opposite utility function, utility equals to max of x comma y, okay, then what will the ICs look like? So in this situation, I will have similar inverted L-shaped indifference curves, but now utility is going to increase in the outward direction. So that, let's say this is utility level equal to 3. So what is the set x comma y such that utility at x comma y is greater than equals to 3? So let me construct this set. So this set will be basically everything above and to the right of this blue line. Okay, so now the entire preferred set is outside my utility level 3. So this set is not going to be convex because the definition of a convex set is if I connect any two points in the set, I should get the entire line segment inside the set. But here you see this part of the line segment is outside the yellow region. So this set is not convex.